Hello, good morning. I welcome you all at this platforms of your North Public Schools. Today I am going to discuss about short type of questions for class 6 students. So please try to listen all the answers and its discussions. It's related discussions and first of all I want to say one things that you could try to write your answers and then read these answers and try to write again one another answers in your own language. So please let us start the videos for class 6 subject science lesson 2 topic components of foods. Here I will discuss. There are so many things that is very important in your textbook. So let us start the video. As here under understanding the text, very short answer type questions. Answer the following questions. The first question is name 6 classes of nutrients. Name 6 classes of nutrients. 6 classes of nutrients means what you have read that carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and roughage. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals and roughage. These are the 6 classes of nutrients. You should know about it. Now move towards the second questions. Which is the simplest carbohydrate? Simplest carbohydrate, as you know, there are 2 types of carbohydrates. One is simplest and another is complex. So here I have read you the simplest carbohydrate is glucose. Glucose is the simplest carbohydrates. Now look at the third question. What happens when fiber is what happens when there is lack of vitamins in the body? In the lack of vitamins, due to the lack of vitamins, you all know there is deficiency diseases in our body. Due to the lack of vitamins, deficiency diseases takes place in our body. So we never be take food in appropriate amounts. So please be careful while taking the food. Now question number 4. Name the vitamins which gets oxidized to when cut fruits are exposed to air for longer time. When we cut the fruits and expose it in air for longer times, then its vitamin C gets oxidized. So the right answer will be vitamin C. It is the right answer for question number 4. Now name 2 foods each rich in. First, question number 5. There are 9 segments also. So in question number 5, for question number 4A, the right answer will be rice and peach. Rice and peach. And for second, proteins. Rich in proteins, fish, eggs. These are the rich sources of vitamins. Proteins. Now question number C. Sugar, cane sugar and jaggery products. We have done obtained sugar from these sources. Now, question number D, fats and oils. Fats and oils, we take fats and oils. Rich sources of fats and oils are butters and ghee. Now, E, starch. Starch, roti and corn are full of starch. Now, vitamin A, you all know vitamin A is found in carrot and fish. These are the rich sources of vitamin A that is very useful for removal of night blindness, you know. Now, question number D, ascorbic acids. Ascorbic acids are found in lime and orange. Citrus fruits are rich sources of ascorbic acids. Now, calciferol are found in milk and sunlight. And calcium are found in milk, green leafy vegetables. These are the rich sources that provides us calcium, right? So these are the things you should remember very well. Now, question number 6, name the foods needed for growth. Foods needed for growth, pulse and nuts that give us more proteins, that is useful to grow. Now, for warmth means that provide us fat, butter and ghee. Now, for a strong bones and teeth, we should take milk, green leafy vegetables. And for question number D, to prevent scurvy, we required vitamin C. So we should take the food that are rich in vitamin C, as for example lemon and tomato. Now, for prevent scurvy, and question number E, for avoiding anemia, you all know the main things we required for avoiding anemia, the food that is rich of irons. So we should take what? We should take meat and cereals. And for question number F, to avoid constipations means to remove the blockage of intestinal organs. It is very useful to eat cabbage and carrot. So these are the things you should remember. Now, question number 7, name one food items which is rich in calcium. Very easy questions and very easy answers. Only one words I select to answer it. So there is milk, that is useful for us to provide calciums. Now, question number 8, define the food. What is food? the things that is eaten by us or animals to destroy our hunger or to live is called as food. For example, rice, roti, etc. These are foods. Now, question number 9. Question number 9, give one reason for the following. Scurvy due to lack of vitamin C. Due to lack of vitamin C. Anemia due to lack of iron. Marasmus due to deficiency of one things you should remember about it. Some people say that marasmus occurs due to deficiency of proteins only, but it is the wrong answer. Marasmus occurs due to proteins and carbohydrates due to deficiency of both nutrients. The disease occurs is marasmus, and due to deficiency of proteins, if it is asked to you, then you should write the answers for it. The disease is Kwashiorkor. So Kwashiorkor occurs due to deficiency of proteins only. But if it is asked the cause of marasmus, then you should write the answers carbohydrates and protein deficiency disease. It is. So I have written here due to deficiency of proteins and carbohydrates. Right. These are the answers. Now, obesity. Obesity is excess eating. Due to excess eating, we have increased our body fat. It is termed as obesity. So, due to excess body fats, obesity occurs in our body. Now, question number E, Kwashiorkor. It is, as I have told you, it is due to deficiency of proteins. So keep it in mind. It should be set in your mind. Understood? Now, question number F, rickets. Rickets, weak bones, weakened and softening of bones, and due to deficiency of vitamin D. It is the right answer for F. And goiter, already know the deficiency of iodines causes goiter in our neck. Now, due to deficiency of carbohydrates, question number H, malnutritions. Malnutritions, carbohydrates and proteins. It is found that there is malnutrition occurs in our body. So these are the explanations given by me for you. I hope you will get benefited with these answers. So today up to here. In next video I will come again. Till that I want to say thank you, goodbye, see you.